Before you send any code to your machine, it's crucial to verify the entire cutting plan with a simulation. This simple step prevents costly mistakes. To start, navigate to the CAM tab and click Simulation in the Process group to launch the tool. You have full control with play, pause, and speed adjustments to watch critical areas more closely. As you watch, confirm the exact cutting sequence is correct. You'll want to see that all internal holes are cut before the final outer contour, ensuring part stability. Pay close attention to how the beam enters and exits each contour. Your leads should be placed correctly to avoid blemishes on the part's edge. If you spot any problem, like a bad lead placement or an incorrect sequence, you can stop and fix it immediately, saving valuable material and machine time. Now, let's observe the rapid movements between cuts, shown as thin blue lines. You need to verify that these traverse paths do not cross over any previously cut parts. This check prevents potential collisions if a finished part tilts up from the sheet, which could damage the machine head. After you've done a detailed review, you can run the simulation at full speed. This gives you an accurate estimate of the total cutting time for the job. Remember, simulation catches errors before they reach production. Always simulate to ensure a perfect cut every time.